Hello, I'm Sohyun Park, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my service learning experience as a Project Like volunteer. For about past 2 months, I served in a non-profit organization named Project Like, which is an abbreviated form of Literacy is Knowledge Empowerment. The organization was founded by our professor Edwina Williams in 2016, and the mission of the organization is to provide youth attending nonprofit and public agencies with free global literacy resources and support. Project Like raises funds to engage children in extended learning opportunities like in-class and after-school tutors, literacy fairs, and educational workshops. Other than fundraising campaign for the operating funds, Project Like also raises funds for the Project Like STREAM mentoring program. STREAM stands for Science, Technology, Reading, Engineering, Arts, and Math. The STREAM mentoring program is an internship program that gives college students opportunities to serve as literacy leaders at a local Title I elementary school. The program also provides after-school workshops to students of grades 1 to 5 from low-income backgrounds with access to free supplemental STREAM education. When it comes to the challenges that the organization faces as it attempts to do its work, the founder answers that funding is always a challenge. She also answers that they have to write grants to rely on donations. Two social theory and concept that I would like to connect with my volunteer experience are stratification and egalitarianism. Since my job at the organization, which I will explain later specifically, was far from conducting or attending campaign. So instead of witnessing particular social issues, I decided to learn more about the organization by identifying social theories that might relate it to the organization. First of all, stratification. According to Hoskins, stratification is the structured ranking of entire groups of people that perpetuate unequal economic rewards and power in society by giving each group different levels of access to wealth and other resources. The example of stratification is the three categories according to the nation's economic status, which are called Third World, Second World, and First World. In the United States, capitalism stimulates stratification according to individuals' economic status as well. To be specific, there are economic elite, upper class, upper middle class, lower middle class, working poor, and underclass in the United States. Second, egalitarianism is also related. According to Hoskins, egalitarianism is the belief in the equality of all people, especially in political, economic, and social life. Public education would be an example since the purpose of public education is to properly educate people regardless of their class status. People in a particular class would experience either privilege or inequality, and the Project Like believes that children need to get resources and support regardless of their background. Under that belief, the organization particularly helps the 1 to 5 grade students so that they could equally get opportunities related to education. Therefore, I think the concept of stratification and egalitarianism is relevant. While I was in the project like as a volunteer, I interacted with Professor Williams and my work was to conduct paperwork like finishing certificates of completion and letters of appreciation to other volunteers. Throughout the experience, I learned that individuals' small works also contribute to the organization as well as being a part of an important event of the organization. Therefore, I believe my overall experience at the project like is worthwhile. So this is my experience as a project like volunteer and I hope you guys also contribute to this organization in various ways like donating or participating as a volunteer. Thank you for watching.